Unlock the rhythm. Understanding fast dance. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to swing to the rhythm of the English language by unpacking the phrase, fast dance. Whether you're hitting the dance floor or just curious about English phrases, this video is your step-by-step guide to understanding and using the term like a native speaker. So, let's put on our dancing shoes and dive right in. Fast dance refers to a style of dancing characterized by lively, energetic, and rapid movements. It's not the name of a specific dance but rather a description of how a dance is performed. When someone says, "Let's do a fast dance," they're inviting you to dance with vigor and speed. This phrase can be applied to any dance style, from salsa to hip-hop, as long as it's done briskly. In order to fully understand fast dance, it's essential to break down the two words that comprise it. 1. Fast. This word describes speed and quickness. In English, fast can be used to describe how quickly something moves or is done. 2. Dance. This word is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to a series of movements to music. As a verb, it means to move rhythmically to music. Together, fast dance means dancing to music with speed and energy, where the tempo, or speed, of the music calls for swift moves. Here's how you might use fast dance in everyday conversation. The DJ played a fast dance, and everyone rushed to the dance floor. After a slow song, I'm ready for a fast dance to raise the energy. Learning phrases like fast dance is a fun way to improve your English fluency. Here are some tips to master this phrase. Listen to English songs, identify the tempo of the music and categorize them as fast or slow dances. Watch dance videos. Observe the energy and pace of various fast dances. Practice speaking. Use the phrase in different contexts to become comfortable with its usage. I hope this video has added a new step to your English language learning journey. Remember, language learning is like a dance. It's all about practice, rhythm, and having fun along the way. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a native in no time. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. Until next time, keep dancing with words.